April, and today I'm sharing with you how to make a blanket ladder. I made mine 5 feet tall, but I've seen them anywhere from little mini ones, which I will do a video in the future on how to make the little tea towel ladders. I actually have one in the background, all the way up to 8 feet tall. It's just personal preference, and mine was 5 feet. That's about the height that I like. You can paint these all different colors. I love white. I love the different stains. And I did get my wood at Home Depot. They cut it for free. I'll put all the details as far as measurements and pricing in the description. I think I paid less than $8, so really inexpensive. And of course I have the stain and hammer and nails all on hand already, but I just wanted to show how easy it can be to make one without any fancy power tools. Of course you do have to have the wood cut for you if you're not able to do that for yourself. And there's a little part in the video where you'll get to see my little dog. She's a 14-year-old mini dachshund, and she's a lot overweight, but we love her so much. My shirt says, my favorite people are dogs. But anyway, I hope that you're all having a nice day, and I hope that this inspires you to make one too. Bye guys. So here we are at Home Depot. I'm choosing my wood. I'm choosing 2 pieces, and I like to lay mine down because sometimes the wood can be warped or bowed, so you want to make sure that it's in a straight line. And here's my husband. He's helping me pull some wood out of the little plastic things that they're wrapped in. As you can see, they are 1 by 2 8-foot strips, and they're only $1.22 each. I had one of the workers cut them down to 5 foot each. And here's the wooden dowels that I used for the rungs. They are 3/4 of an inch around by 48 inches long, and they are $3.25 each. And they have a little wood cutting station. My husband cut each one into 3 pieces. And here I'm just laying all of my wood out. This is a sanding sponge from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just sanding the ends of the wooden dowels just to make sure that they lay nice and even against the sides. And here I'm just sanding all of the wood down just to make sure that there's not any little pieces or slivers sticking out. Here I'm measuring 9 inches and then making a little mark on the side, all the way down both sides. Now I'm just making a little mark so that I can line my wooden dowel up with the board, but you're going to want to line it up to the other side, as you'll see. Now I'm just hammering it in. This part is the hardest part because I kind of had to balance the wood on my leg, but once you get a good start, it's not that bad. And now onto the other side. The other side was a lot easier because it was just a better balance because I had the bottom for support.
And here's my little Sissy dog. She's so sweet. Last one, yay, I'm all done. And now onto the stain. I used Minwax Wood Finish in red mahogany. And I just used a sponge to wipe it on, and then I used a rag to kind of wipe it off, wipe the excess off. I am all about fast and easy. As long as the end result looks good, whatever is the easiest way to do it, that is how I like to do things. Now after I stained everything and it dried, I did apply a Minwax polyurethane clear finish coat just for protection. You don't have to do that, but I did. And that's it, you guys. I love the way this turned out. It took less than an hour, and I hope it inspires you to make one too.